Good morning children. I explained you about ratio and proportion. Today we will do the solved examples. So before doing the solved examples, I want to say something about the compound ratio. What is the compound ratio? Suppose 1 by b equal to 1 ratio, c by d equal to 1 ratio. Okay? So compound ratio equal to product of antecedent and product of consequent. So compound ratio equal to SC by BD, or SC is to BD. This is the compound ratio. Remember this. In a ratio, the first term is the antecedent and the second term is known as consequent. Antecedent, already I explained you, antecedent equal to consequent into ratio, and consequent equal to antecedent divided by ratio. In order to find the ratio of two quantities of the same kind, first change them to same unit of measurement and then find the ratio of the resulting number. That means if we want to find out the ratio, always the units are same. A ratio can be simplified by multiplying or dividing both the terms the ratio by the same number. Then now come to compound ratio. Now what I told, the compound ratio of two or more given ratios is the ratio whose antecedent is the product of the antecedents of the given ratios and the consequent is the product of the consequent of the given ratios. If a number is divided into two parts in a given ratio, first part equal to first term by sum of terms into number, and second part equal to second term by sum of number into number. Based on that, some of the examples are there and also in the exercise questions are there. Second part equal to number minus first part. Four numbers are in the proportion if the ratio of the first to the second is equal to the ratio of the third to the fourth. If the four numbers are in a proportion, then product of extreme equal to product of means, and extreme equal to product of means by other extreme, and a mean equal to product of extremes by other mean. That is the summary of ratio and proportion. Now it is given, the sum of the problems are given, solved examples. Here it is given. For the ratio 8:64, write the first term. Here 9 is the first term or it is known as antecedent, 64 is the second term or it is known as consequent. Write the ratios in their simplest form. Simplest form, how we have done the fraction into lowest term, same way you have to do. 40 by 180, 40 by 180, so HCF of 40 and 180 you have to find out. HCF is coming 20. Divide both the antecedent and consequent by 20. You will get the result 2:9. Like this, all these are done. The ratio in the simplest form is 6 by 7. If the antecedent is 42, find the consequent. You see, what is given? Consequent equal to antecedent divided by ratio. So 42 divided by 6 by 7. You solve it and do. Write the each of the ratio in the simplest form. 2 years to 9 months. So 2 years you have to convert into 9 months. Convert into months. 2 years equal to how many months? 24 months. 24 months divided by 9 months. You have to make into lowest term. It is 8 divided by 3. So paisa and rupees. You have to convert the rupees into paisa. 25 divided by 100. You have to find out the ratio. Example 5. In a class of 80 students, 32 are girls and the rest are boys. So total students are 80, 32 are girls, and how many are boys? So 80 minus 32 equal to 48 boys. Find the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls. So number of boys equal to how much? 48. Number of girls equal to 32. Make into lowest term, the ratio is coming 3:2. Here. Find out the compound ratio. See, 90 paisa is to 225 rupees. 90 paisa 225 rupees, 225 paisa. Then 90 by 225. Find out the ratio in simplest term, that is 2:5. Then second one, 1 meter 20 centimeter, 80 centimeter. 1 meter 20 centimeter equal to 120 divided by 80. 3:2. Compound ratio means how much? So 2 antecedent, here antecedent are 2 and 3. 2 into 3 equal to 6 and 5 into 2 equal to 10. So 6 by 10 make into lowest term, it is coming 3:5. So now these are the sums. So divide 1120 among Rishika and Ankita in the ratio 9:10. Total money 1120. So total part how many? 9 plus 11 equal to 20 parts. So 20 parts. So Rishika's money first term by sum of the terms into number. First term equal to 9. 9 by 20 into number equal to